discuss on how to get the mean, median, and mode using the group data. But before we go on the presentation and discussion, I just want to have a review how easy to get the tree if we are using ungroup data. Okay? Here, we have example of scores during the practicum. So, meron na akong nilagay na numbers given of scores. We have here 7, 10, 12, 7, and 9. So, ganito lang po siya kadali kasi ungroup data, hindi na po natin kailangan ng table. Through this presentation, makukuha na po natin siya agad. Okay? Let's start getting the mean. Okay? The first thing to do to get the mean is to add all populations. So here, as we add all the 5 population scores, we have 17 plus 12, 29 plus 7, we have 36 plus 9, we have 45. Okay? Here we have the numerator over how many frequency that we have. Okay? So we have 5. Here, our mean is 9. Okay? That's very easy. While on median, there are 2 kinds or 2 ways how to present and get the answer. So first thing to do, we have the ascending order. You arrange the numbers pataas. Number 2, we have descending order, pababa. Both orders or both process has the same answer. Ako kasi mas gusto ko yung pataas. Diba? Parang sa buhay din yan. Minsan nasa baba ka hanggang sa mataas ka. Okay, so here, we just arrange the number from lowest to highest. Kahit saan po ang pwede nyo gawin. It's up for you. Okay? So we have here 7, another 7. Then we have here 9, 10, and 12. Okay? So then, from the word itself, median, we have here the middle. Okay? Middle. Okay? So here, obviously, the middle number is 9. How about when we add another or okay, example, we have 13 here, 6 numbers, or even ang binigay na problems. Okay, so here, another is 1, ito na po ang dalawang middle. Ang gagawin po natin pag even ang binigay na numbers, add the 2, then divide 2 to get the average. We have here 19 over 2 is equals to 9.5. Okay? But here, the problem, we have only 5 numbers, and the answer is 9. Okay? So, the median is 9. Let's go on mode. Okay, so mode, from the definition of the mode, it is the most frequent, okay, na nagpapakita sa given set. Here, obviously, makikita natin, susunod po natin, 7, 10, 12, 7, and 9. Here, obviously, 7 po ang naulit or most frequent na lumabas among the set. So, the mode is 7. Since one number is repeated, this is unimodal. Pag managdagan po ng isa pang 9, so 9 and 7 na, then by modal. How about 3 or more numbers are repeated equally? So we have here trimodal or multimodal. Okay, that's very easy on how to get this tree using the ungroup data. But this day, we will solve from step-by-step computation on how to get the mean, median, and mode using the class interval of the problem. Okay, so let's start. Okay, we go now to our main topic. So as we present this information, I assume that we have already class interval. Again, as we review what is the class interval, from the given set, highest score minus lowest score all over classes that I want to have. Then, makikita po natin doon kung ilan po ang class interval sa previous ko pong video. Okay, so ito po, tingnan nyo. Okay, so here, as para mas mabilis po tayo, meron na po tayong class interval, but kung titignan natin, pwede po magpaki-comment dyan sa comment section kung ilan ang class interval. Okay, very good. Nabasa ko. 7. Okay, our class interval is 7. Okay, thank you very much po sa correct answer. So here, iti-test lang natin muna kung 7 pa talaga. Kasi nga, mahilig po tayo sa pagte-test para malaman natin na correct ang ating answer. Okay? So here, we have, from the first row, will be our bases. So we have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Kung bibilangin po natin, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Obviously, sabi ko nga, gagawin po natin para equally or tama po ang ating sets of class interval. So we need to add 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Here on the right side, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Okay? So that's correct. So we go now on frequency. Mapapansin natin, wala na po tayong tinatali. So I assume or I've given this frequency. So ako na po ang nagbigay ng frequency. Here we have the frequency as follows. So from the row 1, we have 5, 7, 6, 9, and 3. Guys, kahit po nandito na po agad tayo sa scenario na to, alam naman natin kung paano itali or paano kunin ang frequency. Just have the tally from the given sets, then add everything. Okay, so let's move on this presentation. So we have here 5, 7, 6, 9, and 3. So pwede ba natin kunin ang ating total? Summation F at X, or kung ilan po ang value ng frequency. So let's add 5 plus 7, we have 12 plus 6, 18 plus 9, 27, and plus 3, we have 30. Okay, so that's the population, the frequency, or the N is 30. So here, nasolve na po natin ang frequency natin when we say midpoint. Ito na po ang next column. So try po muna natin ang ating first row. Last time na ang way ng ating pag-solve is sinusulat natin yung numbers, then pupunin natin yung gitna. But this day, I will give you one tip, or siguro yung iba alam na to, pero ganito lang siya kadali guys. So 15, this is the first row. I-add lang po natin ang two numbers, divide 2. Okay, so we have here 36 over 2, we have midpoint of 18. Obviously, so we have here 18. Then, sabi ko nga last time, ang gagawin na lang natin is i-add natin ang class interval na 7. So, dapat ang i-expect po natin sagot dito ay 25. Pero, iti-test po natin kung tama ba yung ating sagot. Okay, using this next row, we have 22 plus 28 over 2. So, we have here 50 over 2 is equals to 25. Same po ang answer natin. So, we have here 25. Pwede na po natin i-add ang 7 plus 7. We have 32 plus 7. We have 39. And plus 7, we have 46. Okay, next column, we have the product F times frequency, or the midpoint times frequency. So, lahat po ng kailangan natin ay nasa table na. So, ipipinpoint lang natin na huwag po tayo magkamali. Ang una po nating number is 18 and 5. So, let's compute muna dito sa blackboard. So, we have 18 times 5. We have 8 times 5. We have 40. 5 times 1, we have 5. And plus 4, 90. Okay, so, sundan niyo po ako sa inyong mga calculator and cellphone kung tama po ang ating sagot. So, we have 18 times 5, we have 90. Tama po. Okay lang ba na yung mga susunod ay solve natin sa calculator at sundan niyo po ako or sabayin niyo po ako? So, here 25 times 7, kung pangalawa na po tayo, we have 175. While 32 times 6, we have 192. So we have 39 times 9, we have 351. And 46 times 3, we have 138. Okay? So before we go on how to solve the mean, kasi dito pala pwede natin i-solve ang mean. So let's go muna sa next column. May nakikita pa kayong bago dito sa next column natin. We have here less than CF. Okay? CF stands for cumulative frequency. Okay? We have here cumulative frequency sa Tagalog. Using the frequency given, mag-a-accumulate ka lang from the given frequency. Since ang ating class interval ay pataas po kasi from 15 naging 49, pataas, expect po na ang ating less than cumulative frequency ay pataas din hanggang dito sa dulo. Okay? Let's start. So, ang first step po natin, pag-base, okay, yung pinaka-row, copy. Just copy the frequency here. So, we have 5. Next, after we get the first frequency, next step is you need to add the next from the word cumulative. Okay, so we have 5 plus 7, we have 12. 12 plus 6, we have 18. 18 plus 9, we have 27. And last, 27 plus 3, we have 13. So in order for us to check if our less than cumulative frequency is correct, you need to check if it is 30 is equal to our total frequency. So tama naman po siya. Okay, from the given table, pwede natin i-compute ang ating mean. But before, we just need to get the total summation of the product midpoint times frequency. So we have here summation NF. Okay, so we have here, ang gagawin lang natin guys is ito-total lang po natin lahat ng values under this column. Okay, so we have here 19, sundan nyo pa ako, plus 175, plus 192, plus 351, plus 138. So ang ating total ay 946. So here, 946. So here, we can solve the mean. Okay, let's solve the mean. So actually, last time, solve na po natin ito. Ang medyo tricky lang na part is yung nature mode, but I assure you that I will teach you all of this. Okay, so we have here, ang una po natin numerator is here. Ilagay po muna natin ating mga formula. Guys, clarify po, may mga problems kayo na makikita ganito. So, fx or ganyan po, parehas lang po yun. Okay? Kasi may mga ibang authors po na ang kanilang symbol for midpoint is x. Okay? X lang po. Pero ang symbol po natin ng mean ay meron po siyang bar sa taas. Pero ako kasi, para hindi kayo maguluhan, M na lang para midpoint. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, kung ganyan po ang magiging itsura nyo. Okay? So, doon na lang po tayo sa magkaibang letters. Same lang po naman. So, let's move forward. We have here summation frequency or the N. Pwede rin pong N. Okay? So, here our numerator is 946. And our denominator is 30. So, gawin po natin sa calculator. So, we have here 946 divided 30. We have 31.53. This is our mean estimate. Okay, so, meron na po tayong mean. Okay, let's move forward on our median. So, kung mapapansin nyo, medyo mahaba ang ating computation, but I assure you, napakadali lang po ito. So, isa-isay po natin ang ating formula. We have here the LP means lower boundary, MC means median class, summation F or sa our summation frequency ay po siya. So we have here minus less than cumulative frequency, ano po siya. Then meron tayo ng FMC or we have here the median class of the frequency multiplied by our class interval. Okay, let's substitute our given numbers. So, meron tayo muna natin is the lower boundary median class. So, tignan po natin which is the median class. So, meron po tayo dito 36 to 42 is our median class. So, titignan natin from the words lower boundary. So, ginumitan ko po yung 36 dito kasi ang lower boundary niya po is this one. Okay? So, ang gagawin po natin, general rule guys. So we have here state our lower boundary or our median class para po masolve natin ang lower boundary minus 0.5. So 0.5 is fixed. Okay? So, magkuha po natin ang ating lower boundary ng median class. We have 35.5. Okay? So, we have here 35.5. Kung mapapansin niyo po, sila po yung midpoint po nung dalawa. Okay? Midpoint po ni 35 and 36. So, we have here 35.5. Okay, next. I-simplify na po natin yung nasa loob po ng ating bracket. So, we have here summation frequency. Meron na po tayo summation frequency. We have here 30 over 2. So, yung 2 po is fixed. Tandaan nyo po yung mga fixed na sinasabi ko po. So, minus less than cumulative frequency. Okay? So, this is how to solve the less than cumulative frequency. Sir, ibig sabihin po ba niyan ang ating cumulative or ang ating less than cumulative frequency is 27 na agad kasi po siya yung nasa median? Hindi po. Okay? This is the formula how to solve our less than cumulative frequency. So, ang una po natin titignan is ilan po ang ating frequency? We have 30. Okay? So, we have 30 divide 2. Okay? So, sa lahat lang po ng binigay ko, ito lang po ang hindi. Huwag po kayo mag-assume na porket ito na po ang median class, ito na rin po ang kukunin natin. Dito po natin tingnan. Okay? So, we have here 30 divide 2, we have 15. Okay? Since nakuha na po natin ang ating combination for less than cumulative frequency, titignan po natin kung ano yung pinaka nearest na mas lowest po sa kanya. So, here, makikita po natin that we have 12. Okay, so we have 12. So, sa substitute na po natin siya. We have here 12. Sana po ay nakunawaan po natin kung paano po kinuha ang 12. Okay, so here, meron na rin po tayo sa denominator. We have the median class of the frequency. So, ito na po siya, gitna ng frequency or the median of the frequency. We have 9 and our class interval is 7. Okay? So, let's substitute. Ituloy po natin dito kasi masyadong mababa. Okay? So, ito po yung katuloy. We have 35.5 plus substitute po natin or simplify po natin yung nasa loob. 30 divided 2 is 15 minus 12 over 9. Okay? Multiplied by our class interval na 7. So, copy lang po muna natin yung mga plus kung ano po yung total natin sa loob. We have here 3 over 9 times 7. Okay? So, next po natin is 35.5 plus isolve po natin yung nasa loob para matapos na po yung nasa loob. So, we have here 3 over 9. We have at least 2 decimal places na lang po para hindi po tayo or uniform po ang ating sagot. So, we have here 0.33. Okay? Multiplied by 7. So, ang ating next po na solution dyan is 35.5. So, solve po natin. Times 7, we have 2.31 is equals to 2.31 plus 35.5. We have 37.81. Ating median ay 37.81. Okay, last is our mode. Okay, so present ko sa inyo ang ating formula for the mode. So here we have also the lower boundary of the modal class. Okay, modal naman po ang tawag natin. Plus distance 1. So ang pagbabasa po natin sa loob ay ang ating frequency. Distance 1 over distance 1 plus distance 2. Okay, so times class interval. So medyo mas madali po siya. So here, same lang po yung kanina. Ilan po ang ating lower boundary? So we have 35.5. So load naman po yun sa median. Yun na rin po ang ating modal class. Plus ang ating distance 1. So ganito po mag-compute ng distance. Oo, distance kayo ng dalawa. Okay, so here, ang ating pong distance 1 is yung sa upper. So here, P1. Ang ating distance 2 naman po ay nasa lower. Okay? We have distance 2. So, isubstitute lang natin siya. Okay, so we have here 9 minus 6, we have 3. So since same lang naman yung B1 natin, so we have here 3 plus 9 minus 3, we have 6. Kalitin natin, 9 minus 6, 3. This is our B1. Since 3 na po ang ating B1, copy. Then ang ating B2 or distance 2, 9 minus 3, 6. Kaya ang ating class interval ay 7. Ganun lang din po ang gagawin natin kanina sa median. 35.5 plus substitute po natin yung or solve po natin yung nasa loob. We have 3 over 9 multiplied by 7. So we have here 35.5 plus 0. Paano kayo na? Parehas lang sila. 0.33 multiplied by 7. So we have 35.5 plus 2.31. Okay? Okay, we have here 35.5 plus 2.31. We have 37.81. So nagkataon po na parehas po sila ni median. But masasabi ko na minsan nagkakapareho po sila. Correct po yung dalawa. Minsan po hindi po sila nagkakapareho. Correct din po yun. Okay? But in our problem, nagkataon na sila ay pareho. Pero parehas po tama. Okay? In case na mag-encounter po kayo ng mga problem na hindi po magkaparehas ang median at mode, both are correct. Okay? So it's not necessarily na parehas sila. Okay? So we have 37.81. Okay? Kirap up po natin ang ating discussion for today. Ang ating mean po ay 31.53. Makukuha po natin ito by dividing the summation midpoint times frequency to the total summation frequency. So, yun po yung nakuha natin. We have here the median. So, una po natin titignan is tingnan po ang median class. Iset na po natin ang frequency median class, ang median class, ang lower boundary. So, isosolve din natin ang less than equal to frequency by using this one. So, 30 divided 2, we have 50. Any number lower from our total here will be our less than cumulative frequency. So, nakuha po natin ang 37.81. Pag sa mode naman po, using this formula. So, medyo may pagkakalba lang sila ng konti sa median. We have here, but here, same po sila ng lower boundary. So, we have additional distance. Ito po yung sa distance sa frequency. D1 is the upper, D2 is the lower. Okay, just subtract the two frequency. We have here 3 plus 6 multiplied by class interval. So, ang solution po natin ay dito. Then, ang ating answer po ay node. Pag parehas po ang mode at median, it's okay. Pag hindi po sila parehas, it's okay. Both are correct. Okay? Thank you very much for watching on this presentation and discussion. So sa aking class, special class po, yung mga nakikinood din po or natuto po sa presentation ng ating getting the mean, median, and mode using the group data. Meron pa po tayong Google Meet sa hapon na ito. Okay? So, thank you very much. I'm Sir Aris Kasi teaching you math lesson. Good day and blessings.